In this video, we are going to learn how to record on Hulu with live TV. There are three main ways to record. Either by searching for the show you're looking for, and then going up to My Stuff/record, or by going to the live menu, selecting the show you'd like to record, going down to record, you can also select a show in the future, and same as the live show, you click record. To access, you're going to go to My Stuff, and the stuff you recorded should be in there. And that's how you record on Hulu with live TV. Thank you. Again, any feedback, comments, questions, please reach out to us. We also have a subscription plan where your questions become our videos.